that one there, but I have a really big nice basket pots properly for this. For now, I'm gonna leave it there in the really nice black soil and just give it a lot of water today. And look at this, it's just been a month, this one, not even 1 year old, but it look really good, the lemongrass. So I don't have to buy the lemongrass anymore. And this, we just keep eating it with the mung beans. So she just keep growing, and look at this. This is really good. Yeah, just put it in the black valley for now, or black pots, and more here, and more very nice big tomatoes here. And look at this, how massive this one now. Holy, since we got it, it was just only a young baby one, seedlings one. And look at that, she even got a flowers too. Oh my goodness, see? It will turn a flower soon. And more right there. Yeah, my lovely husband make these things for us. Beautiful. I think I got a lot of this one. I put this from the sage. They are from seeds. So now this bill is growing really good. Wow, it's only been a few months too. And look at this, like the black soil, full of nutrients there. And look at the seedlings here. I'm getting grow more. Yeah, the nice pumpkin too. Look at this, guys. Haha, I'm happy the result. And look at this, I haven't given him water for a while, so this is what happened. Anyhow, they look pretty good. And this one, I believe they are the snake beans. You just grow that now from the seeds. Now it becomes seedlings. And here even, we need to stick them, give them a stick. So this one is growing just right there. Just put the distilled water container. We cut it after we use the distilled water. And look, I just let them do it now. So we're gonna get nice fruits or vegetables, snake beans, or rice. And I got okra too, even though it's winter and on my place now. Really good, this greenhouse here. When I open today, it's nice and hot. But some, I've just been eating it because there is no any other thing that I put. So this insect love to eat them. Yeah, look at this, beautiful. Wow, she grew nicer and longer. That's the mints, herbs. And this too. Oh my goodness, you guys didn't realize already winter now, huh? You thought it's still summer. That's gonna be a very nice pineapple too. She grown really good since we put this in the pot. Wow. And this one is really nice purple flower. Oh, look at my sweet potato. They are purple too. I just leave it there now so it won't die outside while it's still winter. So we're gonna plant it outside again in the summertime or springtime. There's another pineapple there. Nice. They are nice sweet pineapple. And look at this, they are the gourmet tomato. We love that in our salad. Look at that. Wow, she got beautiful big 5 or 6 of these little babies. Soon it will get steak. We'll put steak on them soon. They grow really good. And look at this, guys. I'm really dying to share this to you guys in my account. This is the elephant plants, which is pretty cool. This is how they grow. That's a bit weird, but nice and unique. They grow in the tip, see, as you can see. And then they grow here, and you can transfer when they're growing up a bit bigger. You can transfer it in the pot. In the spring, they look pretty good, but now she's still good compared to when you just leave it outside. Beautiful. And this, didn't realize that this is not wet summer anymore or spring. It's a very nice weather here inside this nice greenhouse. And look at even my lovely roses here. Oh my goodness, look at her. It's just been flowering like crazy since last month ago or so. And we have to cut the flowers and put it in the vase. Look at this, guys. And more buds here and here. And even there, new baby. And there. Oh my goodness. But it's still good. And there's more succulents there. Really, really looking good. Look at that. She outgrown with the beautiful pink buds. I can't believe the succulents. And there's a beautiful pink flower over there. Yeah. Beautiful here. More succulents, any varieties. I'm gonna put this in the beautiful lovely pots soon because they outgrown this big pot now. So I'm just gonna get this another one so people get more. And we have this beautiful. It was really good since we got it, and really still good. Supposed to be the old dye. This nice carnivorous one. Nice. See? But I just leave it there. I didn't like the water in the winter, you know, so I just give him water today. But I just leave that water because often in summer or spring they like the water, so I just leave the water there, but not in the winter. They hate their feet to get wet. So this one, we feel good, so it's still really nice and moist. And there's more, another one there. She's just losing her roots, her leaves, but actually they are not dead. They're just being dormant, so you don't have to feed them. This is from the other, so I just put in here, and she will gonna be transferred soon. And look at this. They really outgrown the big pots now. Just a very few months ago. That's awesome, and she grew really good too. Really love these plants. See that one? It's from the flower is finished, and I just leave it there. And there's more flower here. And there's more here. It's different variety. Outside it's not flowering anymore. And look at this, guys. Some more buds coming here. Wow. I didn't expect it today when I opened the greenhouse, and nice and hot. And they're loving it. Loving it. I love them. I love these roses here. OMG. Getting more and more buds here. They are really so crazy in the greenhouse, guys. They really do. So I often put this water here as well. But in the winter, because it's cold weather, I just leave it empty and I just give him water. So probably a few days in a week, twice a day at least. This one is outgrown in the pot too. Oh my god, guys, you're getting crazy in here. Look at this. This is, hello kababayan ko. This is it's Alugbati po. And this is good for salad. The flower is edible. They're all edible. And this is Alugbati in Tagalog, and in English is a Molabar. We call it in Australia is Molabar, and they really grow really good. Now, if I just leave this outside in the ground or somewhere else, big pot, they just really grow like crazy. But because it's winter, the coming winter, so I leave it in the really pot like this, and it's still growing here and there. Nice cold weather. But I just cut this few months ago. Now it's come back again. Look at this, guys. They are very lovely. Very lovely cute purple flower, pink flower. Look at this. Next to it, I just grab it in the ground, and I don't know what it is. I just go with it together, and later on me thinking maybe transfer it in the other pot separately. Because this, I just planted just one of this. But look at that now. It's 2 months ago. Oh my goodness. As you can see, they grow like crazy here. Ay, they love the greenhouse. But look at my Hoya. Oh well. I got more Hoya there anyway. Yes. Beautiful flower, and really goes up on the top of this greenhouse now. My goodness, look at this. Oh no, you are so tall. See? table right there, and look at how tall is this one. Oh my goodness, these gourmet tomatoes. And nice. Oh yeah. See, nice and hot here. It's a lovely, lovely pink color. Oh my god, I can't get enough watching you, and it smells so good right here. Last time it was full of bloom, but I didn't take an opportunity to take a video. It's okay. And this is more here. Pretty cool. Look at her, she's outgrown in the pot. Oh, this one too. Just like the other one I show you guys. I just get it only in the cuttings. And now look at her. She grew really good in the pot. And look at my huyas. She grew really, really, really good. I just saved it from the tree right there outside in our backyard. And look at her now. Because if I didn't save it, it's already killed by winter. It's a harsh winter here. Yeah, and more there. We got more roots there, I think. We really love this one. It's a self-watering bottle. Self-watering plants. I love this one. I can't wait to do more of this. More very, very expensive, by the way. More of this is among the big outgrown in the pot too. Beautiful. Beautiful. See, we buy this in the Bunnings, like a small pot for $6 right there. So I got few, and you just have to go like this. Be matured, you go propagate them. And look at this. You see what it look like when I propagate them now, guys. And I got some big few as well. And from my friends, so they said it's good like this, it will propagate. So voila, I tried and tested. Look at this. They're the small variety came from here. Look at this aloe vera too. Oh my goodness. You guys didn't realize it's already winter. Look at her. She's grown really good. Really, really good. This aloe vera is pretty cool. There's a lot of benefits on them too. Oh my goodness, look at my Christmas cactus here. She is so awesome. I really want to grow more of you. And this here. Over there, right there. And right there, right there. They are flowering. I'm very excited to show this to you guys soon if this one is flowering. It was from cutting too. Oh no, that was from Bunnings. So now, that one from cutting, but this one is really from Bunnings. And I thought it's already dead, and I rescued it from here. So watering water, pots, and I didn't give them water all the time. At least once a week, even spring or twice a week. So they love it, they love it, they love it, they love it. Here now, it's a coming winter and really cold in the night. I just leave them. I don't give them water all the time. Even just 10 days or 1 week even. And they like it because look at how moist this beautiful black soil there. So that's it. Oh my god, I love this Christmas cactus. I really want to grow more. But look at this. This one was only like this size. See that? Or even this. Yeah, I started that. Oh no, there is more slug. What are slugs here? This is a killer. They always love to eat the succulents, see? That one in the big pot, you just eat it like crazy. And this one now, see this one I got big like this. Oh, see, when they get matured, you can propagate them like this. And make sure you get really good soil. Always do them like this and just leave it there. Let the nature do what they want to do. Not too much water though. See this one? Really don't underestimate this black, nice, rich soil because they retain a lot of soil. So if you put too much soil, it will get rots your succulents. So just let them be. See more here too. So propagate more. I'll just show a guide to you anyway, guys, while I'm here. Otherwise, just wasting here. And maybe thinking selling this one day if I got more of this. I really want to grow more of this succulent. They're really, really easy to grow. Really easy to grow. I just love them. I really love them. Wow. Be careful too, because there's not easy. We'll see if we grow too. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for you, baby. Hello, babies. You're really outgrown in the pot now, guys. But I didn't really intend to grow really that much. Look at this. Whatever I give in my orchids, nutrients, I give them too. All of them. Not in the food though. Not in the vegetable. I just give them only the seaweeds one. Once in a blue moon. Don't even look after them a lot. But look at them. They really give me satisfaction. Oh my god, I can't really wait to if we open, and then I'm gonna be update to you these guys in the future. And so the Hoyas too. My goodness, look at this Hoyas. Isn't it exciting, guys? Just can't wait. This Hoya really good. It's really nice cluster wax Hoyas. So they're really good, beautiful looking flowers, like a star. They're clustered together. Oh my god, there is more Hoya here. She grew nicely. She's just slowed down a bit. I don't know what's wrong, baby. But the other one, I go like crazy. Here, I think I'm gonna get more pot of this in my local depot. This, more flowers and too. She need to gather more of the flowers. See, there's more here. So they just only give it. So in the winter, just really 12 or 13 days, and then I give them water, and then that's new baby there. Yeah, I just planted because one time probably a lot of wind and I opened all the windows of the greenhouse, and suddenly I found this. After tomorrow, it's already there in the ground, so I just take it in and look. She grew good. Actually, she already it's already been probably 3 weeks or 2 weeks. She is so good. Didn't even yellow. Wow. I absolutely love this greenhouse over there. And even the plants, you could see it, guys. More beautiful here. This is a bit like maybe $8, $6, $7 in Bunnings. I wanted to buy more, but decided to propagate more of them too, because they are so cute, really cute. Just put it like that and leave it until it grows back on me. Alright, more propagation, why not? Me as well. I'm showing it to you because I'm not always coming here in the greenhouse. I just let them be, probably once in a week, coming here, or twice a week, just to inspect if they need water, you know. But in the summer, of course, our greenhouse open all the way every day. Look at this. I really want. Look at this log. No, I don't know how to kill it. You're really killing my plants, baby. Okay, my phone is getting low, but and thank you guys so much for watching. And I think I got long videos now for you. Sorry about that. I'm just getting excited with all these plants that I show you guys. Have a good day. Give us a thumbs up and share. And if you're not subscribed, please do. Sorry about my machine, is very noisy now. It's just spinning, I guess. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Take care. We want you to know that we're always thinking of you in this terrible tough time. Have a good day. Bye bye for now. Bye. Take care and stay well. Bye.